This video we will see the product review of Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is a premium mid-range smartphone which offers high-end features at a low price. This smartphone comes with 6.67-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision support, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. And this smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And this smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 octa-core processor with Adreno GPU. This smartphone comes with two variants. One is India variant and another one is global variant. With these two variants, there are some differences will be there and we will see that also. This smartphone comes in configurations like 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB, 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage. And the storage is not expandable via micro SD card. This smartphone comes with a triple camera system featuring a 50 MP main camera with OAS in case of India variant or 200 MP main camera with OAS in case of global variant. And it has 8 MP ultra wide angle camera, 50 MP macro camera, 2 MP depth camera, and this camera supports 4K video recording. This smartphone has a 20 MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls, and this smartphone is capable of 1080 pixel video recording. This smartphone comes with 6000 mAh battery in case of India variant or 5110 mAh battery in case of global variant. And this smartphone supports 90-watt hypercharge in case of India variant or 120-watt hypercharge in case of global variant. And a fast charger is included in the box. In case of operating system, this smartphone runs on Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS on top, and it promises multiple years of software updates. Connectivity supported by these smartphones are 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C port, and IR blaster. This smartphone has IP68 or IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. This smartphone comes with dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support and no 3.5 mm headphone jack. This smartphone supports in-screen fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. This smartphone has premium design with curved glass front and options for glass or vegan leather back along with a metallic frame. Weight is approximately 205 to 211 grams. What are the key advantages of this smartphone? First point is display. Stunning and bright 1.5K curved AMOLED display with high refresh rate. Second point is performance. Powerful and efficient Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. Third point is battery. Large battery provides excellent battery life. Fourth point is charging. Super fast 90-watt or 120-watt wired charging. Fifth point is camera. Versatile camera system with high resolution main sensor and OIS. Now we will see some more additional advantages. First point is durability. IP68 or IP69 rating for dust and water resistance for enhanced durability. Second point is audio experience. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. Third point is extra features. Includes useful features like IR blaster and NFC. Fourth point is build quality. Premium design and build quality. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is storage limitation. No expandable storage via micro SD card. Second point is secondary cameras. The secondary cameras like ultra wide, macro or depth might not be top tier in performance. Third point is charging limitation. No wireless charging support. Fourth point is audio limitation. No 3.5 mm headphone jack. Fifth point is software. Some pre-installed third-party apps might be present. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is design and display. Customers generally praise the premium design and feel of the phone, the vibrant and smooth display, and incredibly fast charging speeds. Second point is camera quality. The camera quality, especially from the main sensor, is also frequently mentioned as a strong point, which produced detailed and sharp images in various lighting conditions. Third point is battery performance. The battery life is appreciated by users who need their phone to last all day. Fourth point is overall performance. The performance is reported to be smooth for everyday use and capable for gaming. In global, the price of this smartphone ranges from $378 to $439 based on various configurations. And in India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 30,999 to 35,999 rupees based on various configurations.